Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Active and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and here you should see list of my devices, and on it you should see Amazfit Active. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down through this page, find the Unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair, tap on OK, tap on Unpair and wait. The watch will disappear from the list of my devices. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. You can also, just in case, check the Bluetooth settings on your phone and see if you have the Amazfit Active right here on the list. If it is, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.